Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to watch Hulu on your PS3, PS4, or PS5 so you can enjoy all your favorite movies, TV shows, and Hulu originals directly on your PlayStation console. Let's get started with the easy steps. How to watch Hulu on PS3. Power on your PS3. Turn on your PS3 and make sure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Go to the PlayStation Store. From the XMB menu, main dashboard, scroll to the PlayStation Store icon and select it. Search for the Hulu app. In the PlayStation Store, use the search bar to find the Hulu app. Once found, click on Download to install the app on your PS3. Launch the Hulu app. After installation, go back to the XMB menu, and under TV/video services, you should see the Hulu app. Select the Hulu app to open it. Sign in to your Hulu account. If you don't already have a Hulu account, create one directly from the app. Otherwise, simply sign in with your Hulu username and password. Start watching. Once logged in, you can browse through Hulu's library and start watching your favorite shows, movies, or Hulu originals. How to watch Hulu on PS4. Turn on your PS4. Power on your PS4 and ensure it's connected to the internet. Download the Hulu app from the PlayStation Store. From the PS4 home screen, go to the PlayStation Store. Search for the Hulu app and select it. Hit download to install the app on your PS4. Open the Hulu app. After installation, return to the home screen, and you'll find the Hulu app in your library under TV and video. Select the app to launch it. Sign in to Hulu. Enter your Hulu account credentials, username, and password to sign in. Enjoy streaming. Browse Hulu's vast content library and start streaming shows and movies in high quality. How to watch Hulu on PS5. Power on your PS5. Turn on your PS5 and connect to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Access the PlayStation Store. From the home screen of the PS5, go to the Media section and select All Apps. In the search bar, type Hulu and press Search. Download the Hulu app. Select the Hulu app from the search results and click on Download to install it. Launch the Hulu app. After the app installs, return to the home screen or Media section and find the Hulu app under your Apps and Games or TV and Video. Click the Hulu app to open it. Sign in and stream. Sign in with your Hulu credentials, email, and password. Start browsing and enjoy your streaming experience. Hulu features on PS4 and PS5. Hulu Originals. Watch exclusive content like The Handmaid's Tale, Marvel's Runaways, and more. Streaming quality. Both PS4 and PS5 support streaming in HD, 1080p, or 4K, with the correct Hulu plan and compatible TV. Multiple profiles. You can create multiple user profiles on your Hulu account for personalized recommendations. Subtitles and audio. Access closed captions, subtitles, and audio options directly from the app settings. Troubleshooting tips. Hulu not loading. If Hulu isn't loading properly on your console, try restarting your PS4 or PS5 and check your internet connection. App crashing. Ensure the Hulu app is up to date. You can check for updates in the PlayStation Store. Sign-in issues. If you're having trouble signing in, double-check your credentials or reset your password on the Hulu website. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Hulu streaming experience on PS3, PS4, or PS5.